Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Well, we have another day of unseasonably warmer temperatures in store for us today. In fact, we are looking very close to reaching a record high for today. Our previous record, 67 degrees, that was set back in 1917. Our forecast high today, 66. So there's a good chance that in some areas we will be at least, if not tying a record, getting close, or potentially in some areas also beating it. All right, let's go ahead and take a live look out over Lookout Mountain. You can see those clouds out there. We'll call it partly cloudy as we head through the day today. We'll see breaks in those clouds, and that sunshine will help warm those temperatures up to about 23 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year. Nice live look at Boulder and the Pearl Street Mall. And as we take a look out over downtown Denver, we've got partly cloudy skies, winds out of the west, 12 miles per hour. We are at 63. Well, let's go back. We are already at 63 degrees today. Just didn't want to go over that because, again, our normal high for this time of year is 43. So we are already 20 degrees above that at this 11 o'clock hour. So we will warm up a few degrees from here. Here's a look at your weather headlines for today. Near record warmth today. We talked about that. Mild and dry. Those conditions continue. They've been continuing. They will continue right all through Friday. And we have a pretty good chance for a white Christmas. Of course, models, we've talked about this over the last several days, sort of in disagreement about how much snow, if we'll be dry, if we'll get snow, and if we get snow, how much. But it is looking like, at this point, there is a good chance we will get some sort of measurable snow, which means at least an inch of snow on the ground in and around the metro area. Taking a look at our HD Doppler radar right now, just clouds. That's all we're dealing with out there right now, and we'll continue to see those breaks in the clouds and sunshine as we head into the afternoon. So let's put our forecast in motion here. As we head into the afternoon, it's pretty clear up and down the I-25 corridor. You can see those clouds really fill in overnight into tomorrow morning with some spotty light snow showers up in the high country. Not expecting much in terms of accumulation up there either. Likely just a dusting of snow as we head into tomorrow morning, waking up to some clouds out there up and down the urban corridor, and then those clearing out as well. Looking like we're going to see a sunny Wednesday afternoon as temperatures once again climb into the 50s. So a little bit cooler with the cloud coverage, but it is still going to be a warm and dry trend right on through Friday. Your forecast highs today, we are looking at temperatures in the 60s across the plains. Check out your forecast high in Burlington, 68 degrees. Springfield, 69, almost 70 degrees here in December. 66 your forecast high in the Denver metro area, 64 in Colorado Springs, 30s and 40s even so up in the high country. So again, we've been talking about this ridge of high pressure. It is strong. It hasn't moved. It's kind of been sitting in place. It is going to start to flatten as we head into Friday. But until then, again, it is steering any type of storm activity out of our area. And so we are mild and dry all the way through Friday. And your forecast for today, mild and warm, partly cloudy, 66 degrees, winds out of the south-southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, a bit cooler, partly cloudy, a few of those clouds keeping those temperatures a little bit cooler to start with. 58 degrees, though, still well above normal for this time of the year. Again, that's 15 degrees above normal for this time of the year. So it's funny to say a bit cooler when we're still 15 degrees above warmer. But again, we are talking near record high temperatures today. All right, so let's talk about what's going to be happening because we have a big change in our forecast on our way, and this happens on Saturday. And what's happening is we have two storm systems, one that originates off the coast of Southern California, another one that originates up in the Pacific Northwest. Now, the track of the one down south is to the northeast, really going to start moving over New Mexico, and the storm system up to the Pacific Northwest is going to track to the southeast. As a result, they will likely merge over Colorado. if that happens, again, we'll get a good chance of snow. The question is, when they merge, where exactly they merge, and that will indicate how much snow we get, where exactly it falls, and whatnot. But at this point, it is looking like we will get some sort of measurable snow. That means at least an inch in the metro area, most of it falling Christmas Eve, possibly a few flakes Christmas morning as well. Now, with that being said, I want to talk about models. Models differing on this run. So certain models run saying about just what I told you. Other models are saying that some areas of northeast Colorado could get a foot of snow, again, depending on exactly when and where these two storm systems merge. So we could get anywhere from, a dusting to an inch, which is most likely. There's about a 30% chance some areas up there in the northeast could get up to a foot of snow come Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. So again, we are going to obviously keep tracking these models, and as we get closer through the week, as those days progress and we get closer to the weekend, they'll become more in alignment. But again, it is looking promising that we will at least get some snow for Christmas Eve and will bring us a white Christmas. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We are looking at 50s all the way through Friday, and again, then we talked about that change in the forecast that comes on Saturday as those systems merge over Colorado. And so on Saturday, because it's so warm out, we'll likely start the precipitation out as rain, transitioning to snow overnight into Sunday. We'll see snowfall Sunday, continuing overnight into Monday, and possibly some morning flakes on Christmas Day before everything clears out and we start to warm up. So we're looking at 50s through Friday, 40s on Saturday, 30s on Sunday and Monday, clearing on Tuesday with highs back in the low 40s. That is a quick look at your forecast on this Tuesday morning. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.